You might remember that I mentioned that it's every time raining here. Well, I lied. So let's check out on another snowy Sunday afternoon my Watchyear 2017. Alright, there they are, the three watches I was able to purchase in 2017. On the one hand, my Seiko Turtle, which came along with me to Los Cabos in Mexico. On the other hand, my Seagull 1963 Chrono, which as well is a lot of fun and a nice reminder to see what's possible for not much money. And of course, my really highly appreciated and a lot of times worn Stowa Flieger Classic sports watch, flight watch, whatever. So the Seagull actually is a watch which is the less on my wrist. I do appreciate it a lot. Nevertheless, I do have actually three watches to wear. So as you saw in my last video, I took the party turtle with me to Los Cabos in Mexico. The Flieger, the Stowa Classic Flieger, I do wear a lot as well, regularly and as usual. In my regular work day, I do have my Omega Aquaterra on the wrist, so it's not a lot of time. Nevertheless, I do appreciate this watch a lot because, as mentioned, yeah, you can just see what is possible, and this watch is actually also a nice link to my time I lived in China for a couple of years, so I really still high appreciate my Seagull. Nearly the purchase of 2017, my Party Turtle. I'm still in the honeymoon period with this piece. Ordered from Strapcoat, the Jubilee bracelet, the actually full stainless steel Jubilee bracelet. So it's, when I add this to the Turtle, it's going to be a very hefty watch. It is fun. I'm still in love with the 70s case form, with the design. And it's really a joy to wear. It was super comfortable. It's a no-brainer watch. I can throw it on and don't have to worry about it at all. And yeah, this is what's supposed to be, guys. This is where the fun is with watches. No matter the price, this is really, yeah, the piece I do admire and have fun with a lot. Guys, Stowa Flieger Classic 40mm, and when you thought I'm really over the moon with my Turtle, this watch really is the watch purchase of 2017. I'm still in love with it. It's so much fun to wear. It's elegant, it's flat, you can wear it as a dress watch, you can wear it as a sports watch. It's a strap queen, works on really thousands of different straps, and I wear it to work in my free time. It's really a watch which I really do enjoy. It's flat, the movement looks gorgeous, it's really beautiful, and the pressure to the watches, it's as well pretty nice to wind this watch. Yeah, I was looking for a Flieger watch in the past, and the Stowa really was the decision, and the right decision. I mean, I made the C3 Super Luminova. It's bright like a torch. I can use it or put it on the nightstand and read it all night. It's not a problem at all. And yeah, still madly in love with this watch. Alright guys, this was my Watchyear 2017. As you can tell, I'm still really in love with my Seiko Turbo, with the Stowa Classic Flieger 40mm and the Seagull 9063 chronograph. Really 3 watches which I do appreciate and like a lot, and which do complement my current collection. What's coming up, actually, as you know or might know from my former videos, I'm selling right now my Rolex Datejust, my two-tone Datejust 1162-33. If I was able to sell it, I actually thinking about purchasing the Breitling Avenger chronograph in 43mm. I checked out as well the Super Avenger with 48mm. It's massive, it's huge. And yeah, for your reference, I do have a wrist size of 18.5 centimeter. I can wear it, but it's really, incredible big and not really too comfortable to wear. So I go to the 43mm size, as I think it has a lot of ring. It has this typical Breitling jeans, but still it's not over the top. Alright guys, this was my Watchyear 2017. I hope you did like this video. If this was the case, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, I of course as usual accept thumbs down. If you do have questions, comments, recommendations, do leave them in the comment section below. How was your Watchyear 2017 and what is going to come from your side in 2018? Share this with the community as well in the comment section below. I really look forward to your comments as well. Guys, 210 subscribers. You are awesome. Actually, this is your Christmas gift to me. I really put a lot of effort in this channel and in my videos, and keep on going with this. Thanks a lot. You can't imagine what this means to me. So thanks a lot for subscribing and keep watching my videos. Thanks guys. Alright. So that's the video for today. I hope you did like it. I do wish all of you a happy Sunday afternoon, whether with snow or not. Have a good day, a good weekend, and see you in the next one. Ciao guys, bye bye.